Hey everyone, I'm Michael, and in this video, let's set up another prerequisite for OSDWorkspace, and that's Visual Studio Code. Just like the other videos, let's start from the wiki here, and I'm going to select Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And we have another quick setup command here to install it via winget. You can see here that we have some override switches on this one as well to add it to the context menu and some other items. Just like the other installations, we have some information at what those are. Go check those out. We also have some commands as well for installing the Insiders branch of Visual Studio Code. That's optional if you want to install that one. I'm just going to go ahead and install Visual Studio Code. So to do that, let's launch Terminal as Administrator again. I'll move that over to the left. I'm going to copy that quick setup command. Right-click to paste. And let's give that a minute to install. Now that that's installed, you'll notice it was a user installation. If you had already manually installed Visual Studio Code under the system context, that will work as well when using OSDWorkspace. Let's verify that it got installed here. I'm just going to right-click, pin this to my taskbar, so I have it for the future. So that's all I have for you in this video. I'll catch you in the next one.